I started my PC journey with a computer which I used essentially for media consumption. Since the computer was going to be used for only watching movies, I connected the computer to my TV and I did not bother to buy a monitor at all. I slowly started playing games on the computer and then I started creating video for you guys. I no longer needed my computer for watching movies because I have the Amazon Fire TV stick. Gaming on a huge TV was enjoyable, but I was locked at 60Hz refresh rate and editing videos was very tiring to say the least. So, I finally decided that I need to get myself a proper monitor. My research led to this, the MSI Optix G241. It is a 24-inch monitor with full HD IPS display and a 144Hz refresh rate. The monitor comes in matte finish, which means I do not have to worry about reflections. Being an IPS display with 95% DCI P3 coverage, colors are very accurate, which is essential for editing videos. The 144Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time is great for gaming. The monitor is also AMD FreeSync compatible, which ensures that there is no screen tearing while gaming. The bezels are very slim on all sides except the bottom where the MSI logo sits. The stand is wide and sturdy with no wobble. There is a 5 to 20 degree tilt adjustment but no height adjustment. The back has a nice brushed aluminum finish with a MSI logo and there is a red joystick for navigation through the menu. Although MSI markets this as a gaming monitor, the design of this monitor is minimalist, which I quite like. Connectivity wise, the monitor has one DP 1.2A port and two HDMI 1.4B ports. All the ports support 144Hz refresh rate. There is also a headphone jack. MSI includes some picture profiles and a dedicated reader mode which cuts down on blue light. The menu is nicely laid out and even the summary provides all information about the settings the monitor is running at. So, do I recommend this monitor? I would answer a yes. The monitor offers the best of both worlds. You should have no problem doing color critical work as it is an IPS display and its 144Hz refresh rate ensures a good gaming experience. At 17,000 rupees, the monitor is maybe a couple of thousands more expensive than it should be, and it would have been great if MSI had included a height adjustable stand and a DP cable instead of an HDMI cable. But overall, the build quality is great. If you want to buy this monitor, there will be a link in the description box below. So, I hope you found this video useful. Please like this video if you did and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome tech videos. My name is Vaibhav and I'll see you guys in my next video.